This is new, Pat. It's new.
And it's definitely time. We want a new jacket, brand new today. Here's a good sale price for you. 2 different colorways. This is the Floralicious snap front jacket. Is Floralicious like a part of a collection? Is that what we're saying?
Yes,
okay.
We started it last year and we're continuing it this year.
Well, the sale price on this will save you $14. 5 easy pays will disappear at the end of the day. So for $15, you're getting home not the same denim jacket that you buy yourself every couple of years, but you're getting something that's really pretty. These almost look like pansies. These are so pretty.
So beautiful.
Oh, wait.
And this is a denim. This is not Dream Jean, by the way.
So this is a 75 cotton, 23 poly, 2 spandex, but it is a stretch denim.
Yes, yes.
Dark indigo, but look at the shadow
Isn't
pink.
that great?
Yes.
I love it.
So pretty, the shadow
we also
pink.
just released a solid denim jacket, which is available in our store on QVC.com. If a print isn't for you, we try to just appease lots of different tastes, and you have been asking. You, our customer, our amazing customer. You are the reason why we're still here after 3 decades. It's because of you that we get to do what we do and that what we love, and of course honor Jean Bice every single day as well, and her legacy here at QVC. I cannot thank you enough. So we do listen to you, and I listen to you, and then I tell our teams what it is that you request, what it is that you're looking for. And last year, I saw it over and over and over again. Denim jacket, where are the denim jackets? Used to do a lot of denim jackets, where are the denim jackets? So we launched 2 this season. Already. This is the second, and then the one with rhinestones on it. But this one, the print, this is slightly, it's reminiscent of a barn style jacket to me.
Yeah,
like a barn coat that you would get in the fall.
Yeah.
Right, but it's a little shorter. You have front pockets.
I like it.
The snap front, pointed collar, really nice details, and then that fun print. And I love how you said that this reminds you of pansies.
Yeah.
Because I have another story. Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
When Jean would fly up from Florida to go work with Susan, the head of our design team, she would always make Tim, her son, stop at a local farmer's market. And she was so generous. She would pick up a basket of pansies.
Oh, really?
To bring to Susan as a thank you as they were working. And so I say, nobody else has said this, I say that the pansy is the unofficial flower of Quacker because of that story. You know, of course Jean loved roses and she loved daisies and all that. And I love tulips. Tulips are my favorite. But with the pansy, I just always like to bring that back to Jean and Susan and tie that in together. So, and there's so much great seaming detail in this. I'm looking at you.
Great. Yes. I mean, I can see it on Kulani, but it has a different fit, and it's not as thick as a regular jean jacket. I mean, look, if you are reaching to get the kid out of the car seat, I mean, it's so comfortable. And in my true size, and these are sized double extra small through 5X. I'm wearing a medium, which is the size that I wear on the top. It's not too tight. I mean, I could even put more layers underneath it is what I'm trying to say.
You know, and maybe if you love this so much, you want something to wear through the fall and winter, you maybe veer towards the denim, right? Yeah. But then for spring and summer, you veer towards the pink and the white because it goes so beautifully.
I can see this over a dress. I mean, that's how pretty it is, right?
Yes. This goes with all things pink. To me, this is a little more candy pink. I'm going to walk them walking in front of the camera.
Go ahead. I mean, there you can see, and just a reminder, Kaylani is a 5'2", and she wears a small petite.
So it's not exact as the candy or as the shadow, but it works either way. And if you have to have that exact, then pop a different color. Yeah. Pop the denim or the white maybe.
But couldn't you imagine this over just a jersey dress that you have that's maybe sleeveless? And it's just, it takes denim in a different direction, at least for me. And we're seeing, we just talked about it with Susan, we're seeing denim on denim. So the denim jacket, the denim jeans, the denim crops, whatever the case may be, a denim shirt under here if you wanted to do something like that. I mean, look at the great fit. And I like the pockets. There's no pockets up here, so I'm never was, you know, look great in those. The pockets are down here, and it's super, super comfortable. Yeah, it's good.
That's very flattering.
Really good.
I love it. I love it.
All right, thank you for bringing me that so that I could try it on. All right, so we're not going to spend much time on this, but we're going to the beach. All right, because it's a little cold to be at the beach, so